Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and this is a HSN haul from, I don't know if it was the 5th or the 8th of March. The HSN has for the whole month uh, new stuff coming in, and so I have two different hauls, one for Crafter's Companion right now, and then I'll do the next one. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is this glass mat from Crafter's Companion, and I have my sign here because my light bounces off of it, but I need my light and I like it, but I want to hide that little thing right there. So, but I like this because it's 13 inches by, let's see, 13 by 19. It's really heavy, and I was able to get it because, and not worry about the shipping and handling, because HSN had $5 fill your cart, and your whole shipping and handling was only $5 for the whole day. And this thing is about 7 pounds, and it's huge. So I really like it. I like it because it has every little square is a half an inch, but I like it because it has the A6, 6x6, 5x7. I really like the ruler set up all over. It even has this right here so that you could do the angle guide and everything. But I like the ruler. With me playing with so much paper lately, I really like it. Okay, so let me show you what else. This, I don't think they're doing $5 shipping and handling right now, but I do know they're going back at the end of the month and having another big sale, which I'm not even going to turn the TV on. I just can't. So let's just see what else I got. This is the um, dies that you can make pockets, or you can cut out. Here's what it shows that you can, for cards or albums and stuff, and see the back, how this right here, that lighting is irritating me today. It's the whole light is bad, because not only the light, but the sun coming in through the blinds is making it hard. But see how the roses, and it cuts out the edge too, so that's really pretty. They're edgeables, and this is an auto ship, I'm pretty sure, and I don't know what the other ones are that I'm getting, but I really like that, and I like the size. It says 9 pieces, yeah, for all the little ones too. Okay, I'm turning around and getting more. This right here, I haven't ever had one, even though I've had a die before, a die cutting machine, and I haven't had the little brush that pops out the paper, and it comes with the sponge. You brush it over. And the reason why I liked it so much is it gave us, this was cheaper than any one that I have found in the stores, and it also gave us this 3 different brushes when this wears out to add more brushes. So I like that, and it also came with 2 picks. The pokey tool. I guess that's a real word, pokey tool. So I got that. Let's see what else. I opened the bags, but I just don't know everything that I got. I got these, a set of 2, and they are the dies with the shadow behind it. And it says, hello, with love, thank you, congratulations, celebrate, just for you, smile, special friend, happy birthday. But see how it has the shadow behind it, so it's a 2-piece. So I was happy to get that. And most of these items that I grab, this was on sale, the mat, and I would have never bought it through the mail because of the weight, but the shipping and handling. But most of this was this day only, or this hour only, because something had sold out and they put this in for the sale. So yeah, I try to watch my pennies, and I don't. I'm overspending lately, and I need to settle down. And I love this. This was the big splurge, the numbers 0 through 9. And I just cannot wait to start making banners for first birthday, second birthday, birthday cards. And now I'm going to have to call my mom and say, give me all my nieces and nephews' birthdays so I can send them cards with their actual number on it. And it it's going to be fun. I really like it. I'm really happy about getting that. I wish they showed some of the cards, but this was the big splurge and they're really a big number. So to make, you know, birthday cards 21 for when you only turn, 21 or 10, the big numbers too, or 75 or anniversaries. So that's going to be really fun. Then on the same day that I got all this, I also got my last of, and since it's Crafter's Companion, I'll show you. I got my last card making set that is the pop out card house, and you get the dies. Well, you get the stamps. Let me say this again. You get the stamps, and there's Christmas, there's beach. So you get the dies that go with it too, with the stamps. There's an owl and bird. There's the little house, and it's three-dimensional on, and then you also have the embossing folder, and that's hearts, and you can use this for anything, heart lattice. So let me show you a better picture. See how it's three-dimensional and it's a card, and it will pop out of your card that you make, and make a little house. So that's going to be fun to do. But this right here, this one right here, was on auto ship. But I'm sure if you go to Crafter's Companion, you could probably buy this single. So, but yeah, there is my Crafter's Companion haul from HSN. And I just can't wait to craft. So all my links will be down below. I hope you join me in my group that I have, Group Glue Gun Chronicles. And push the bell, because you never know when I'm going to make a video, because I made this one so that I can open these packages and start crafting. Okay, guys, thanks for being there.